Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to in our next class. Today I will explain you the topic algorithm, which belongs to your book, your computer book, and the first chapter, programming techniques. So now I will define you the algorithm. Algorithm means method, procedure, techniques, or plan. Algorithm is a step-by-step problem-solving method that is easy to understand and follow. It is a set of steps that clearly defines a sequence of operations to solve a problem. Role of algorithm in problem solving. Algorithm plays an important role in computer programming. Computer programming is the process of taking an algorithm and coding in it a programming language. Basically, computer programming is a process. Here we take some algorithm and codes to make a programming language. Formulating an algorithm is the first step for developing a computer program. Measuring efficiency of algorithm. Here we will discuss the factors where the efficiency of the algorithm depends. The efficiency of an algorithm is the property which relate the algorithm to the amount of computational resources used in it. An algorithm must be analyzed to determine its resource usage. What are the resources used by the algorithm? The time, memory, and storage space. Memory means your RAM, and the storage space means the space in your hard disk. For the maximum efficiency, we wish to minimize our resource usage. Our wish is to minimize the storage space and the memory to fast our speed of algorithm. Algorithms for problem solving. The first problem is find the sum, product, and the average of 5 numbers. Planning the solution. First, we required input of 5 given numbers, because in question they said to us to take 5 numbers and then find the sum, product, and average. So our input is given 5 given numbers. Required output, sum, product, and average of 5 numbers. What type of processing is required to solve this algorithm? The addition, multiplication, and division of numbers. Okay, now we solve our problem by the algorithm. To make the algorithm of this problem, the step 1 is start. Let the 5 numbers be a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 8, d is equal to 4, and the e is equal to 12. And the step 2, find the sum. You can see the sum in the bracket. This sum is used as a variable. Sum is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e. The sum of all numbers, the result of all numbers we save in the variable sum. And then step 3, find the product. Prod is a variable. Prod is equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c multiplied by d multiplied by e. The result of 5 multiplications saved in prod. and the step 4 is find the last one, average. The formula of average is equal to sum divided by 5. Why we use number 5? Because we have a 5 numbers, we have a 5 numbers in question. Step 5, output, sum, prod and average. And the step 6 is stop. Okay, now there is a problem 2. Another example, find the volume of a cube. So there is a planning of the solution. Input, length of a side of a cube. It is very important because if we don't have any length, so how can we find the volume? And the required output is volume of cube. Processing, side of cube raised to the power of 3, or otherwise you multiply by 3 times. Algorithm, step 1, start. Let the length of the one side of a cube L be 12. In length is equal to 12. Step 2, calculate the volume V. V is a variable where we store the result of the multiplication of 3 times. V is equal to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. You can also use a L cube. Now step 3 is output V, and the step 4 is stop. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand it carefully. And there is a your home assignment. Write an algorithm to find the sum of the given sequence. Thank you, students.